Hi everyone, greetings. Thanks for tuning in again after the break. And now I have the pleasure to introduce Ralf Birnbaum. Ralf Birnbaum is Director of Business Development at ioTech, and he will tell us about digital mass manufacturing of electronics today. Ralf, the stage is yours. Over to you.
Hi, good afternoon to those in Europe. Good morning to those in the US. Before I start my presentation, I'd like to give you a very brief movie to show us what we do. And here we go. Oops.
Every day, innovative electronic designs enable new product functionalities. Cars are becoming autonomous. Cell phones keep on becoming lighter, thinner, and more powerful. But traditional production tools are now reaching their limits. Cutting-edge electronics call for cutting-edge manufacturing technologies. Introducing ioTech's C.L.A.D, a breakthrough additive manufacturing technology for electronics, from semiconductor to PCB. C.L.A.D prints all materials in 3 integrated steps: coating, jetting, and post-processing. First, coating on a foil in a perfectly smooth and fine microlayer. Second, laser jetting, fast with micron accuracy. Third, post-processing, laser sintering, UV curing, or heating. Conductive and laminate layers are coated, jetted, and sintered or cured. Vias are filled. C.L.A.D jets standard industrial materials with 3,000 times higher viscosity than inkjet without any risk of clogging. Another great benefit: standard commercial solder mask is deposited in the same system, ensuring perfect alignment and precise board coating. Printing a layer takes seconds. Multi-layer PCBs are printed in minutes. This is truly PCB manufacturing at the speed of laser. For assembly, the camera locates the pads. Standard industrial solder paste is dispensed on the foil and jetted on the PCB with high accuracy in a perfectly repeatable manner. With the same technology, RFID antennas are printed and sintered. Isolating ridges are deposited, allowing for multiple conductive layers. ioTech's C.L.A.D can dispense up to 6 materials on any substrate, rigid or flexible, rough or smooth. The system's speed, accuracy, and flexibility enables advanced designs for more compact and powerful applications. C.L.A.D prints both conductive and organic materials simultaneously at high throughput and up to 20 micron resolution, offering the flexibility of dispensing at the speed of screen printing. ioTech, cutting-edge additive manufacturing.
So, additive manufacturing has been around for roughly 3 decades. But despite great advances being made in material science, most industrial materials are too viscous for additive manufacturing technologies. This is especially true in the electronics industry, where both the mechanical and the electrical properties of the materials need to be maintained. And therefore, as a result, additive manufacturing has remained a prototyping tool. Here are some materials that have been very challenging with additive manufacturing. So conductive glues, various coating materials, and epoxies. With continuous laser assisted deposition, the technology that ioTech has developed, there is no longer any need for compromise. This is the only additive manufacturing solution that can print standard industrial materials that have been certified by OEMs. We can print a wide range of materials, including materials such as silicon, which have been unprintable until now. We do this at very high resolution, going down to 20 micron lines, and we can print at the